Greetings to you all. Welcome to Iswaris English. I went to Tirupur and stayed there before reaching திருமுருகன் பூண்டி. திருமுருகன் பூண்டியில் நடந்த ஒரு புத்தக வெளியீட்டு விழா தான் இந்த வீடியோ.
Before we start our wonderful journey of the function, let's all connect in white and ask God to be with us. A small prayer for our Lord Ganesha, the Vignahara. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samabhyava Sarvakayasu Sarvada. This means, please be with us throughout our journey. May you always remove all obstacles from our program so that we can be safe and successful. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. My dear students, this is for no matter, Almighty, all our parents are everything for us, but our guru or teacher are the best musician. They are the ones who are guiding you, teaching you, and molding you to be the best human being. So, is everyone ready to begin? A warm welcome to Vrindavan. Please be seated. We continue with our functions.
தமிழ்தாய் வாழ்த்து இருக்கு.
I would request the students to escort the chief guest to the land.
திருப்பூர் சிட்டியோட மேயர் இவங்க. அது போக ரோட்டரியும் ஜேசிஐ இந்தியா சோன் 17 சேர்ந்து நடத்துனாங்க. ஸோ அதில் உள்ள விஐபிஸ் வந்திருந்தாங்க.
Vrindavan, would you please help them? That's okay.
ஆமாம்.
wear. Every function starts with Tamil Thai Valthu.
So, is everyone ready to begin? Yes. A warm welcome to Vrindavan.
Oh, hello, my dear dreaming. Or have you picked the script of some other function by mistake? We are not in Vrindavan. We are at Tirupur AVP College for Creative Writer function.
Yes, my dear friend. I'm not dreaming, or nor am I reading any wrong script. I remember one of our writers' friend saying Vrindavan has created a Vrindavan, a beautiful garden. I am visualizing the same beautiful garden with lots of beautiful flowers and butterflies around. And of course, some honeybees. Boys, please don't mind. Ready to spread the fragrance of birds in the world.
Okay, now I get it. Yes, my dear, very true. Our beloved Brindama has really created a beautiful garden, and we all have gathered here for the 5th annual function of Creative Writers. So a very warm welcome to one and all. We are the host for today's function. This is Subramani and my dear friends Kavita and Chetna Bhatia ma'am.
I know everybody is eagerly waiting for the function to start. So, let's start the ceremony by welcoming the chief guest.
A very warm welcome to our chief guest this morning.
To say a few words about our honorable chief guest, Mayor Sir.
Happy morning all. A warm welcome to all the wonderful individuals gathered here. Your presence truly make this day a special one. It's an honor and privilege to welcome our chief guest of the day, Mr. N. Dinesh Kumar, the Mayor of Tirupur City. We wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. We warmly welcome you, sir, to this place where our dreams are nurtured, talents are honed, and our lasting bonds are formed here in this creative group. Sir, you are a dedicated and hardworking young man. Your exceptional service and the leadership qualities as the Mayor of Tirupur City has given the boundless joy to all. Your unwavering commitment to this city and its residents has not gone unnoticed. It's imperative to mention your significant contributions towards our educational community. With your able guidance, the city has seen a phenomenal progress, sir. On behalf of CW members and the entire writers community, I extend my sincere thanks to your exceptional service to the city, sir. Thank you, sir.
May now request Mr. Bharadwaj to honor our chief guest. May now welcome Mrs. Mangaleshwari Madam on the stage.
Very good morning to the intellectual galaxy. It's my privilege to introduce one of our chief guests, Mr. N. Balasubramaniam, past Executive Vice President of JCI India. His passion has taken to the following heights. From 2005, when he joined JCI Tirupur, till 2023, he had been in many positions of LOM and JCI. Now he is a Diamond Jubilee Committee member of JCI India. He has attended many conferences in Europe, Uruguay, and in South Africa. He has completed Bachelor of Commerce and married to Mrs. Sasirekha, Zone Director of Zone 17, JCI India 2016. His son B. Prithun, the junior ambassador, represented India in 25th APCC 2013, Fukuoka, Japan. He is the founder of the premium branded clothing, Repro Clothing, an exporter of knit garments to Belgium, France, Italy, Netherlands, Canada, and USA. His special achievements are the first individual of JCI India Zone 17 received Grand Slam in 2016 JCI World Congress, climbed 17,598 feet till Everest Base Camp in November 2018. He has visited 50 countries as on today for business and JCI. We heartily welcome you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, he belongs to an agriculture family in Tirupur. He heads educational institute, namely ADP institution. His better half, Mrs. Lata Karthikeyan, and they are blessed with two daughters, Shreya and Shivani. He has completed his management studies. His achievements in Rotary. He joined in Rotary Club of Tirupur Metal Town, one of the best clubs in District 3200 in the year 2004. He served as the president of the club in the year 2007 to 8. He was the last club president of Rotary Club of Tirupur Metal Town in Undivided District 3200. He is the first president of the club, achieved the Best President Award of District 3200. He is the first major donor of Rotary Club of Tirupur Metal Town. A record new club, Rotary Club of Tirupur East, with 16 chartered members, those who are all PHF in chartered itself, was started when he was the president of the club. Started another club with 25 members as PHF Rotary of Tirupur, Pride Chairman of Pets and Sets Vidya 2008. He is the Chairman of District Conference Thiruvani 2010. Served as District Governor of Rotary in the year 2019 to 20. Founder, Secretary Rotary IMA Blood Bank Tirupur. Significant achievements. Can I continue? Okay. Him. Rotary IMA Blood Bank 2 lakh American dollars. Detecting breast cancer, cervical cancer project, gift of heart project protecting children from heart disease, disaster management project in 4 districts serving more than a lakh of people during pandemic, ICU set up in 8 government hospitals, lives on beats, negative pressures, ICU at Calicut Government Hospital, a global grant of Government Hospital in Kerala. His roles. I heartily welcome you, sir. Thank you.
I now request Mr. Sankaran to honor our chief guest. May I now welcome Mrs. Shami on the stage.
A very bright sunshine morning to all on the 5th Creative Writers Annual Meet. I feel privileged to extend a warm welcome to JCHGF Kirti Sanan, President of JCI Tirupur Smiles, JCI India Zone 17. P. Kirti Sanan sir is a highly accomplished professional with extensive experience in both the garment manufacturing industry and academia. As a leader in various organizations, he demonstrates a commitment to community service and professional development. His expertise in training, coupled with his fluency in multiple languages, allows him to effectively communicate and inspire others. Additionally, Sir Kirti Sanan's dedication to his family reflects in his balanced approach to life and work. On behalf of the Creative Writers team, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your esteemed presence and support to us. Thank you.
now request our chief guest to address the gathering. Mayor, sir. In the program, it's in the annual report. Okay.
On something?
We all are worried about our children. Summer break has started. Our children are wasting their time by watching TV and mobiles. We don't know what to do and not able to understand how to divert them in a positive and creative way.
There you are. You are so close to the destination. You have the answer to your own question.
I didn't get you, ma'am. What are you exactly trying to say, ma'am?
Let me tell all about it. You want your child to be creative and positive? So, why don't you ask them to join a creative writers group?
Creative Writers Group? What's that, ma'am?
Creative Writers, a great group of eminent writers that began its journey on 2020 with a vision to foster creativity and literary excellence among the aspiring writers. Despite of challenges posed by the global pandemic, creative writers persevered and achieved significant milestones throughout the year. Let's take you on a tour. What all activities are carried out in this group and what is the motto?
365 days of writing. In this group, we write daily on the topic given with a related background. Every person share their thoughts and that gives a regular practice of writing and thinking. Our commitment to writing every day reinforced our dedication to continuous writing and improvement in the field of writing. Regular writers and reviewers and e-certificates also. Every poem posted in the group is reviewed by other members and appreciated. This motivates every member to write regularly. We recognize the contributions of our regular writers and reviewers by awarding them with e-certificates every month signed by dignitaries.
Oh, is it? But my question here is, my child is not interested in reading or writing. Will he able to writing a poem in a given topic? Is that not easy?
It's very easy, ma'am. Mentorship group. We established a mentorship group to nurture and guide aspiring writers, providing them with valuable insights and support. And we also have a crash course called Understanding Poetry. Understanding Poetry is an online workshop on writing and understanding poetry, applying figures of speech. It is conducted every month. E-certificates are also awarded to all the participants.
This sounds very interesting. May I please have some more information?
Yes, dear. We are having online poetry competitions. Every month we are conducting, and monthly open mic sessions are conducted to overcome the fear of speaking in English. Then we have bi-monthly e-magazine. Apart from that, we have published anthologies too. We have published so far 5 anthologies, and obviously we are releasing our 6th anthology here. And we are conducting many events and functions also. I call upon Chetna ma'am to conclude by saying the impacts and events of the group.
Our initiatives reach a wide audience, fostering a sense of community and among the writers and enthusiasts. Through our events and publications, we promoted literary diversity and encouraged artistic expressions. The mentorship group facilitated the growth of emerging writers, creating a supportive environment to our skill development and collaboration. As adding colorful feathers to the beautiful crown of creative writers, more than 100 books are published by our group members, a great milestone in literary work. May I request the chief guest to please address the gathering? their lives so that our country can breathe freedom. Never forget the sacrifices they did, and also one who are protecting us today so that we can live and sleep peacefully. The wonderful idea by Brinda ma'am to dedicate the anthology to the soldiers and martyrs of our country. 2024 being a leap year, 366 days, 366 poems by different authors compiled by Brinda ma'am and gifted to the soldiers of our country.
Mr. N. Dinesh Kumar, Mayor of Municipal Corporation of Tirupur, is honored by our Brinda.
இது ஒரு சோல்ஜர் அந்தாலஜி, நாட்டுப்பற்று ஆர் நம்மளோட பேட்ரியாட்டிசம் ஸ்பிரிட் டெவலப் பண்றதுக்காக எல்லையில் இருக்கிற ராணுவ வீரர்களுக்காக 366 நார்மலா 365 டேஸ் இந்த வருஷம் 366 நாள்னால 366 போய் இருக்கிற ஒரு புக்கு பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாரும் வச்சிருக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இந்த போயம்ஸ் நிஜமான சோல்ஜருக்கும் போய் ரீச் ஆச்சு. அவங்களும் பார்த்துட்டு நல்ல சந்தோஷமாக தான் போட்டு காமிச்சாங்க. ஆனால் அந்த ஃபோட்டோ போடக்கூடாதுன்னு சொன்னனால பண்ணோம். ஓகே சார். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வில் கிவ் டு மேயர் சார்.
Next, guest of honor, JCI PPP Balasubramanian, past National Executive Vice President JCI India, Tirupur. The next Rotarian PDG MD A. Karthikeyan, Chairman of AVP College of Arts and Science, Tirupur. The next JCHEF Kirti Charan, President 2024, JCI Tirupur, Vice JCI India.
Actually, one more thing, it was sorry, I didn't know. Okay, actually, இந்த புக் வந்து ஏன் ரிப்பன் கட்டலன்னு கேட்பீங்க. அதுக்கு ஒரு ரீசன் இருக்குது. நார்மலாக ரிப்பன் கட்டி ரிப்பன் எடுத்து விடணும். ஆக்சுவலி ட்ரோன் ரிலீசிங் ப்ரோக்ராம்னு வச்சுருந்தோம். ட்ரோன்னாக்கா மேலே வந்து நான் கொடுக்குறதுக்கு பதிலாக ட்ரோன் வந்து உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குற மாதிரி தான் பிளான். அப்போது ட்ரோன் பிக்காக இருக்குது, புக்கு வேறு ஹெவியாக இருக்குது. வெயிட் பார்த்துட்டு ட்ரோனால் சமாளிக்க முடியாது, அது வேற ஏன் ஹிட் ஆகிடும், அது நம்ம நினைக்கிறது ஒன்று நடக்கிறது சம்பவம் வேறு மாதிரி இருக்குன்னு நினச்சிட்டோம். ட்ரோன் டெலிவரி சாரி சொல்லிட்டாங்க. But anyway, we are happy to release the book. Now, எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்துட்டு. So, the teachers who purchase the book can come over here to take us.
கொஞ்சம் நல்லா எடுங்க.
இந்த டைம்ல வந்தே மாதரம் சாங் நம்மளோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஆஷியா ஒரு நாட்டு பச்சை பாடலுக்கு டான்ஸ் ஆட வராங்க. ஆஷியா, are you ready? Okay, please put the song now. இதே டைம்ல நம்ம நிறைய பேர் நினைச்சிருப்பீங்க என்னடா கிரீன் பேட்ச் ஆரஞ்சு பேட்ச் இருக்குதுன்னு. இதுக்கு ஒரு நாட்டுப்படி ஏதோ ஒரு விதத்துல நம்மளால முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு பண்ணணுங்கிறதுனால தான் இந்த கிரீன் பேட்ச் ஆரஞ்சு பேட்ச் candles. So okay, those who are holding the candles, please come to the stage. Ashia. Okay. Sorry. Monday Madhuri dancer, sir. Okay. Sound? Start.
Yeah. I would request everybody to sing along. It's our national song, please.
Monday Madhuri. That is one of dancer.
அந்த வெல்கம் டான்ஸ் வந்து வந்தே மாதரம் பாடல். அந்த வந்தே மாதரம் பாடலை இந்த 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கக்கூடிய ஆஷியாங்கிற பொண்ணு ஆடினா. அதை நான் ஏற்கனவே அப்லோட் பண்ணினேன். காப்பி ரைட்டுன்னு வந்துருச்சு அந்த வீடியோ. ஸோ ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து போட்டுட்டு அந்த டான்ஸை கட் பண்ணிவிட்டு திரும்பியும் நான் அப்லோட் பண்ண போகிறேன். சாரி, சின்னதாக கூட ஒரு மியூசிக்கையோ எதையோ அந்த வீடியோவில் பர்ஃபாமன்ஸோடு நம்மளால் போடவே முடியல. அந்த காப்பிரைட் அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு பெரிய இஷ்யூவாக இருக்கிறதுனால அடிக்கடி நம்ம இதை யூஸ் பண்ணோன்னா சேனலில் பேன் பண்ணிடுவாங்கங்கிற மாதிரி மெயிலில் ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதனால் நான் அதை அழிச்சிட்டேன். ஸோ வந்தே மாதரம் பாடல் இது.
Throughout Tamil Nadu, throughout India, members are there. Throughout India, Jaipur, Maharashtra, Bombay, Calcutta, எல்லாரும் இருக்காங்க. எஸ் சார், ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கலாம் அந்த புக்கை வச்சுட்டு அப்போ ரிலீஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ தோஸ் ஆர் ஹேவிங் த புக் எண்டிங் ஆன் ஸ்டேஜ். எழுதுனவங்க எல்லாரும் வாங்கல, எழுதுனவங்க புக்கு கொண்டு எடுத்துக்குவாங்க. ப்ளீஸ் கம். பி ப்ரவுட் டு பி இந்தியன். நீங்க நாட்டு வீரர்களுக்காக. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், இது எல்லாரும் எழுதிருக்காங்க சார். எவ்ரிபடி 10 பேர் சர்டிஃபிகேட்.
Please come with your soldiers anthology and line up down near the stage also.
சரி, ஒரு 10 பேருக்கு மட்டும் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறாங்க. அப்போ அந்த சோல்ஜர் anthology certificate. சோல்ஜர் anthology. ஓகே. Our mayor sir to distribute the certificates for the soldier anthology participants. Mrs. Alice Nyanaganga Pushpam, Mrs. Alamino Mangayakarsi, J.H. Ashia, Main Patambakam Government High School, 8th standard.
I'll give you a big applause.
Alamino ma'am. Poet Beach number only.
Devika ma'am.
Mrs. Beach number only.
Chandreshri.
Poet M. Devika. Poet Beach number only. Poet M. Devika. Alright, thank you dear chief guest for honoring our poets by by giving certificates. Okay, now children are coming to. Yes, okay, children, those who have written books can come over here, and your book will be released by our Honorable Mayor Sir. Children, those who have written books. Students, please bring your books. Students.
Totally 12 books has been released today and 17 children have written poems, sir. An individual ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் 50 poem எழுதி ஒரு collection of poem books போட்டிருக்காங்க சார். PUMS கூகலூர் கோபிச்செட்டிப்பாளையத்திலிருந்து வரோங்க சார். கூகலூர் ஊரு நடுநிலைப்பள்ளி தோ எல்லாத்துக்கும் ரேண்டம் அப்படியே கொடுங்க. Just give இங்க ஒரு 2 பேர் கொடுங்க. கம்கனா PUMS come all of you. Vidyashree come Anuvarshini. Dania all of you. Kanimali Sudarshan. So totally 17 children 17 குழந்தைங்க எழுதிருக்காங்க 12 புக் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம் சார். kneel down பண்ணிக்கங்க கொஞ்சம் பேர்.
Give a big round of applause to these 8 writers.
It was all possible only because of creative writer members who support us a lot. Thank you everyone.
இது வந்து ஒரு சிறு முயற்சி தான். ஸோ புக்குக்கும் அதே பேரே வச்சுட்டேன். ஏன்னா தமிழில் கவிதைகள் அது எல்லாமே நம்ம புது கவிதைகள் நமக்கு தெரிஞ்ச தமிழில் தான் எழுதுகிறோம். அந்த மாதிரி எழுதிட்டு இருந்தப்ப இப்படி ஒரு குரூப்பில் சேர்ந்து இங்கிலீஷில் எழுத முடியுமா அப்படின்னு யோசித்தேன். பொயட்ரி அப்படிங்கிறது சிம்பிளாகவும் இது மாதிரி எழுதலாம் அப்படிங்கிறத அந்த குரூப்பில் பயணித்த ஒரு மாதம் எல்லாரையும் வாட்ச் பண்ணிவிட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். அப்புறம் எனக்காகவே எழுதணும்னு தோண ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ஜூன் 4 சேர்ந்தேன். இப்போ 1 வருஷம் ஆக போகுது. அதுக்குள்ளே 300 போயம் கிட்ட எழுதி நம்மளால் வைக்க முடியுது அப்படின்னா டெய்லி ஒரு ப்ராக்டிஸ், அவ்வளோதான். ஸோ இதில் நிறை குறைகள் இருந்தாலும் பொறுத்துக்கணும்னு கேட்டுக்கிறேன். நன்றி.